Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate and track time in Clickup, step by step. Whether you're managing multiple projects, working with a team, or simply trying to improve your productivity, time tracking in Clickup can help you understand exactly where your hours are going and how efficiently tasks are being completed. One of the best things about Clickup is that it combines task management and time tracking in one place, so you don't need to switch between multiple apps just to monitor your workflow. By the end of this video, you'll know how to start tracking time, stop timers, review logged hours, and even use custom fields to compare estimated time versus actual time spent on tasks. So let's get started. First, open your Clickup workspace and navigate to the task you want to track. This can be any task inside your space, folder, or list. Once you open the task, look for the option labeled Track Time. Depending on your layout, you may find it near the Task Details section or inside the Task Activity area. Go ahead and click on Track Time. As soon as you do that, a timer panel will appear. This timer allows you to record the exact amount of time spent working on that task. To begin tracking, simply click Start Timer. Once the timer starts running, Clickup will automatically count every minute and second spent on that task. This feature is especially useful if you work on client projects, billable tasks, or detailed assignments where accurate time records matter. It also helps you understand how long certain activities really take compared to your expectations. Now, while the timer is running, you can continue working normally. You don't have to stay on the task page the entire time. Clickup will continue tracking in the background until you stop it manually. Once you've finished your work, return to the task and click Stop Timer. The total tracked time will automatically be saved inside the task. Next, let's talk about reviewing recorded time. Inside the task window, you'll now see the logged hours and minutes displayed clearly. If multiple sessions were tracked, Clickup keeps them organized so you can review each entry separately. You may also notice details like start time, end time, and total duration. If you want even more control over your time management, Clickup also allows you to create custom fields. To do this, head over to the menu bar and select Custom Fields. From here, you can either create a brand new field or use an existing one. For example, you can add a number field for estimated hours or a text field for notes related to time tracking. Using custom fields makes it easier to compare estimated time against actual time tracked. This is extremely useful for project planning because it helps identify tasks that regularly take longer than expected. Over time, this improves scheduling accuracy and workload management. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. First, make sure your tasks already have due dates assigned before tracking time. Second, decide whether your team should use manual entries or live timers for consistency. And finally, encourage everyone to update time entries daily instead of waiting until the end of the week. Another useful feature in Clickup is reporting. Once enough time data has been collected, you can open reports and dashboards to analyze productivity trends. These reports help managers understand team workloads and help individuals improve personal efficiency. You can also filter tracked time by employee, task, project, or date range, making it much easier to review progress on larger projects. If you work with clients, these reports can even help simplify invoicing and billing. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to calculate and track time in Clickup easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this video helped you out, feel free to share it with others who want better time management and productivity in Clickup. See you in the next video.